Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reroll in Love and Deepspace for the best characters. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're trying to reroll for the best characters in Love and Deepspace, here is what you need to do. First, start the game with a guest account instead of linking it to any social media or email. Play through the tutorial until you get the first free pulls. If you don't get the characters you want, you will need to reset your progress. Now for iOS users, you might have to delete and reinstall the entire game to fresh start. But on Android, you can just go to the settings, find the app and clear the data to reset it without reinstalling. Then open the game again, create a new account, and then repeat the process. Keep doing this until you get the characters you're aiming for. If the game forces you to link an account, you can use multiple email addresses or temporary emails to make new accounts. Some people also use multiple Google Play or Apple IDs to speed up the rerolling process. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.